Hi guys, this is the first prototype of what we call is inspection hall, and this is made of 2 mm acrylic. It has 5 layers and 90 mm inner diameter for the hole, and is 120 mm the outer diameter. So how it works is just rotate it to anti-clockwise and it comes off, and the fixed layers is the fourth and the fifth layer. As you could see, the four corners, there is a gap for the, how we call it, is the ears to stay there. Okay, and as you could see, the outer bit is clear. You can peel it off, but it's all clear. And the second layer and third layer with the ears. Okay, and there are 4 holes here, 3 of them screwed and 1 is left for the lid. When you place it and rotate it to clockwise, it locks, it stays there. And when you anti-clockwise rotate it, you can remove the lid and you can put your hands through there, and it does the job, I think. Let me know what you guys think.